Hello, this is Master Luke Chen. Greetings. Beautiful day in Yangshuo. And today I want to talk about what's going on. Okay, I have to talk about my own experience in doing the sixth direction and with the Tao Te Ching as a guideline. So at the beginning, I guess now you're watching my videotape. Many of you already know how to do the sixth direction. It's basically one movement: release, absorb, release, absorb. Now, intermediate student in the back, you need to move it. The back, move it. So the back move and the hands. Now. Basically, many students, when they first came to me, and they move the hand. Oh, I move my hand, just like move the hand. You want to get something, you move your hand. But the thing is, this is the technique. You must move the back first, and then go forward. Now, sounds unnatural, but we're born with this way, you know. In Tao Te Ching, we saw the baby. We're going back as a baby. The baby, when they walk, the hands like this. It's not like an adult moving the hand like that. The children, because the back is moved, the whole body activates the qi. So when you move here, you use the back to move it. Now check yourself, check out, see if you every movement you start from the back, but become an automatic movement. When you move, and already I start to move here without even thinking about it. So by doing this, then you can activate the back, and then the tongue, the upper body, the middle, and then the coccyx. The whole thing start to move. So if you're not doing the shoulder yet, since the shoulder is the joint, you need to relax. Elbow, now is elbow also move, and then the wrist. Now when you're getting older, you have to know that the first thing you have to become very soft in order to remain healthy. So the softness is you practice every single day to become soft, and then when you go further, and then the coccyx moving, move the whole body, Now, so if you never learn sixth direction, or you want to review how to healing, just put a hand, release, absorb, release, absorb. Now, when you're doing release, absorb like this, if you do for a lot of time, I mean, half hour, and then you feel the sensation between your hands, the more stronger. So let me do this, explain what's going through my mind when I'm doing push and pull, okay? So push, push, pull, push. Now, of course, at the beginning, you have to overcome the physical thing. Physical, you know how to turn, release, absorb, release. Now, after you're doing that, and then the next step, you will know that you need to relax the stomach, relax the hips, and turn. And then when you're doing the push and pull from your feet, the whole body moves, Now, I assume you know all this, and then when your mind start to go away, the key is how do you keep your mind in doing the same movement over again with the tape, of course, the sixth direction tape. Now, my answer for that, because I practice every day, twice a day, I imagine, or it's like guide meditation. So when I'm doing this, release, absorb, it's like something guiding me. What's guiding me? I'm thinking, going out, going in. But he's thinking, is it thinking, going out, thinking, going in? I'm thinking, release the love, compassion. By reciting, by memorize some of the Tao Te Ching words, Tao Te Ching chapters, and then I divide into 8 secrets, 8 chapter, and then when I'm doing the movement, I'm going through like guide meditation from secret 1, 2, 3, and so forth. At the end of it, I have half hour already through. So it is that's how I keep me into here and now. Now I know that some of you are doing meditation. The outside the meditation is you just sit there, you think, and you imagine you're going through different places and come back, going through, and then you feel very relaxed. But ours here is 6 directions. We're doing physically. We got our body involved in doing it. The body involved, the Chinese medicine, acupuncturists, and they have the 12 meridians. The qi going through meridians, just like the blood goes through the blood vessel, goes through the heart, and then pumping through every cell of the body. And then we're doing the qi, doing the same thing. But instead of forcefully, we need to use our mind to relax and let our body to follow. That is, so my way of doing it is to study the Tao Te Ching with the love, compassion about what is the cosmic, what is nature. Nowadays, it's very exciting because of the discovery of many things in the universe, and then all those is yin yang. You see a lot of things, and then there's wu wei, from very small you become big, small, big. It's all meditation in the Lao Ji Tao Te Ching, because we can meditate into the infinite. We are one with the cosmic. So start with a soft movement, just release, absorb just one movement, and then project more into the mind and body and connection, and then the spiritual. So, all right, so thank you so much. Happy Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Tomorrow will be okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. I love you from Yangzhou.